as we go through the course of 2024. So I'd say a little bit of upside to the overall growth forecast for 2024, but we do have these parts of our economy which do continue to struggle.
And low productivity within the Canadian economy keeps coming up.
We have seen business investment levels that are pretty weak right now. So we're looking for anything that will incentivize companies to be investing in research and development, technology, training the workforce for the future of work. So these are some of the areas we're looking at and looking to see some changes or improvements. We did see already an announcement by the government that they are going to be putting $2.4 billion towards investments in artificial intelligence. That is one of the things. So we're future looking, trying to get the economy's productivity level up.
Don Desjardins